Ma'am, 1 by 4a to the power, 1 by 4a square.
You can say a by 4 whole square.
Ma'am, should I say the answer or?
No, step by step.
Okay.
Solution.
Ma'am, then minus b by 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 and a upon 4 into b minus b upon 2 bracket plus 2 then minus 1 by 2 ma'am, b by 2 into 1 and then ma'am 2 then ma'am a upon 4 into 1.
Correct. Okay. Then
Ma'am, then 1 by 4 a square will be a upon 16 whole square.
a square upon
Sorry,
16
a square upon 16. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then b square upon 4.
plus b square upon 4.
Ma'am, then plus 1.
Correct.
Then ma'am, minus ab upon 4.
Correct.
Ma'am, then minus b.
Yes.
Ma'am, then uh, plus b upon 2.
a
No,
upon
ma'am,
2.
a upon 2. A
Correct.
upon 2.
Correct. a upon
मैम
2.
वैसे मैंने वो ए बी नहीं लिखा है जस्ट आई हैव रिटन वन सो आई गॉट
Okay. So this is the final answer. So see this expansion, this identity is very easy. So here we are doing the expansion. So we are changing this 3 terms into 6 terms. So now question number 5th is like opposite. You are being given 6 terms and you have to factorize it. Okay. So you have to bring it into 3 terms form. So if you are done with the 6th term, then I will explain you question number 5.
I'm done fourth question.
Okay.
Ma'am, just a minute, can you wait, I'm coming back.
Okay.
Ma'am, now we can start.
Okay. So you can see 4x square. I can write it like 2x whole square. In place of 9y, I can write 3y whole square. In place of 16z square, I can write 4z whole square because first 3 term will be squares. And then what I need to write 2 into like first and second term, I have to multiply 2x into 3y. So you can see 3 to just 6, 6 to just 12. So yes, it is 12xy. Here you can see there is minus sign and it is with z term. You can see the first and last term. In both the term there is z. So that indicates that z might be negative. So if I put minus 4z, so let's see, am I right or not? So I am writing 2 into, then I will be multiplying this 2 term. So that is 3y into minus 4z. So when you look at 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, minus 24yz, correct? And third term will be 2 into minus 4z into 2x. So 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, minus 16xz. So yes, it is the last term. So I got it changed. So now I can write the next step, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So this is my final answer. See, the 6 terms I have to convert into 3 terms. So I just understand that first 3 term will be square 1. So I have just changed it. Likewise, and I can see the negative sign is there in last two term, and I can see z is there in both of these two terms. So I have taken z as negative. So if I put z as negative, then yes, it's satisfied. So I have changed, or I have factorized it. So very easy question. The same identity, that is x plus y plus z whole square, we are using here also. So if it is understood, then we can move to the second part.
Ma'am, it is understood.
Okay, okay. So I'm moving to the second part. So second part again says that there are six terms, and when you look at this six terms, you can see first three terms are having a square on that. So that will be like we need to square. We need to find the number which will give on squaring these terms. And when you look at the negative sign, it is with fourth and sixth term, and you can see x is there in both, which is having negative sign, so that have x terms associated with them. So that gives my indication that x term should be negative. So if I write minus root 2x whole square, so what is the square of minus root 2x? That is 2x square. So I got first term, then I will be writing plus y whole square. And if I have to write, what should I write so that I get square as 8z square?
Ma'am, 4 root 2.
No, 2 root 2.
Okay.
2 root 2z square. So if you get 2 root 2z into 2 root 2z, so 2 into 2 is 4, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So you are getting 8z square. Okay, now next term should be plus 2 into minus root 2x into y. So yes, that is correct. Fourth term. Fifth term will be 2 into y into 2 root 2z. So yes, it is 4 root 2 yz. It is correct. And last term is like plus 2 into 2 root 2 z into minus root 2x. So when you simplify it, it is minus 8xz. So yes, we are correct. So what is the next step? It is minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. So that is very easy question, and you might expect this question to come in your exam.
Okay, ma'am.
There are six terms you have to factorize. So you have to concentrate on identity number 5. So let's move to next identities. That is identity number 6. So identity number 6 is like if I want to do find the cube of two numbers, x plus y whole cube. So that identity you have to remember. It is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. That you have to remember. Identities you have to remember. Okay. So this is identity number 6. Identity number 7 is with negative sign. So what is the change? Everywhere comes the negative sign. So in place of plus, it will be minus. In place of plus, there will be minus. In place of plus, there will be minus. So everywhere will come minus sign. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. So these are the sixth and seventh identity. So let's start practice for the sixth and seventh identity.
Ma'am, in our school it is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
so that is the next step. So you can remember as you want. That is the next step. Leona, can you see that is the next step? So it's up to you. जैसे आपको याद रखना है. जैसे अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो मैं इस स्टेप पे याद रखती हूँ. क्यों इस स्टेप पे याद रखती हूँ? बिकॉज आई हैव टू जस्ट रिप्लेस माइनस साइन. जहां भी प्लस है वहां मुझे माइनस कर देना है. So I remembered this. It's up to you. If you want to remember the second step, you can.
ma'am, in our school it is like that way. So,
Oh, no way, no. So that is not a norm. It's your choice.
okay, ma'am.
You can. So let's move to question number 6, which work on identity number 6 and 7. Okay. So first is a plus b or x plus y whole cube. So what is the identity I am writing on the screen? So I am using identity x plus y whole cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. This is the identity. So see here what is x? X is 2x. So I am writing 2x whole cube plus 1 whole cube plus 3 into x. What is x here? 2x. And what is y here? 1. And x plus y. So if I just solve it, 2x whole cube is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8x cube. 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 2x, 6x into 2x plus 1. So when you solve it further, 8x cube plus 1, and when you multiply this 2, this is 12x square. If you multiply this 2, this is 6x. So this is the final answer. You will be getting 4 terms. And you can see this all are unlike.
Yes, ma'am.
So the identity part is very easy if you remember the formula. If you don't remember the formula, then it will be a biggest problem. So please learn each and every identity. Then it will be very easy one.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 1
like
to 8,
how
ma'am,
many?
all identities are coming.
Divyansh is asking something. Yeah, speak.
Ma'am, 1 to 8, ma'am, all identities are coming.
This is, you should know about your syllabus of exam.
Ma'am, full chapter is coming soon.
Yeah, full chapter is coming. So let's move to second one. So second part indicates that it is a negative. We have to use the seventh identity with the help of sign. We can look at it is 2a minus 3b whole cube. Okay, so in place of plus, I have to substitute minus. So what it is, like if I erase each and every plus sign and I have to replace that plus sign with negative sign. So what it becomes, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy or bracket में x minus y. So what is x here? Anyone?
Ma'am, x is 2a.
X is 2a. So in place of x, I am substituting 2a. And what is y?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
3b minus 3b.
Correct. Only 3b. Because see minus sign we have put it apart. So यहाँ पे minus sign हमने already consider कर लिया है. Okay, so you have to say if I compare x and y with, I'm writing it below them so that you get a clarity. So 2a minus 3b whole cube. So you can look x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 3b. So in place of y, I am writing 3b. Now minus 3, and what is x? X is 2a. What is y? Y is 3b. Then in the bracket 2a minus 3b. So when you solve it, 2a whole cube is 8a cube minus 3b whole cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27b cube. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 minus 18ab, and in the bracket is 2a minus 3b. Okay, so just solve it again. 8a cube minus 27b cube. Now multiply this 2. So you are getting 36 a square b. 18 twos are 36. A into a is a square b. And minus will give plus. 18 threes are is 54.
So AB.
A, b into b is b square. Okay, so don't forget anything. 18 into 3 is 54. Minus and minus will make plus. A b into b is a b square.
Mom written.
Okay, so let's proceed to the third part, and I want to complete this question. So let's, अभी हमने identity negative वाली ऊपर लिखी हुई है, तो let's try the fourth part ताकि हम वो negative identity apply करना है. You can see in the fourth part.
Ma'am, in this third part, it's same that sixth
Same,
identity.
same. You
So,
have
ma'am,
to,
can we do it at home?
yeah, you can do it at home. So let me do fourth part. Third part, you can do it at home. So it is x minus x minus 2 by 3y. So what is x here in this identity? X is x. So
X
I will be writing x cube. And what is y?
minus, sorry, ma'am, 2 by 3.
2 by 3y minus 3. And what is x? X is x. What is y? 2 by 3y. And what remains in the bracket is x minus 2 by 3y. So when you solve this, it is x cube, and 2 cube is 8, y cube is y cube, and 3 cube is 27. So minus 8 by 27 y cube, and then 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and it is minus 2xy in the bracket x minus 2 by 3y. When you solve it again, x cube minus 8 y cube upon 27. And if you multiply this minus 2xy with x, then it is minus 2x square y, and minus is plus, plus 4 by 3 x y square. So see, if you know the identity, you have just to substitute the value and you got the answer. So it is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
But the